of single Tori, as our sister Chimamanda talk. Now, Preshi, our listener.
Yes, sir.
What make it be my Tori today be say, I no one come here, come judge whether Peter they right or they wrong. What I want ask today be say, all the thing where this guy don't reveal to us, from the wife, when the mama they alive, they talk say the wife, they even saw the wife this and that and that, to how much millions of naira, to certain them don't enter court. And some of their court proceedings, would they hear them even for social media? Today I want to ask, I want to use that their own to ask this question. It makes sense, say, no matter how it be, person supposed carry in family matter, enter social media.
All right.
No matter what thing happen, some people say, a man come heal. Some people say, make in the express himself, saying go heal for social media.
Some people say a problem have shared is a problem have solved. Okay. Whether now why make and bring and come social media. Okay.
Now, my question today, as I bring the story, I know so many people know about the story finish.
Yeah.
I want to ask simple question. It good? What in P Square do good? You want carry am heal? Or na content you think saying they create?
Okay.
Or you think say no matter what happen, if for no bring and come social media? What are the talking? My own story today in essence be say this P Square matter where Peter they drop now. Now the best way you supposed do am.
Okay.
Or you think say you know supposed bring the matter for on air. Others they too you get two people who say what you do like we don't already talk. Say how problem shared is half solved.
Yeah.
Okay. Others say one can carry am heal. Others say the thing don't too harm, you want to express himself. But some people they talk say no. Family matter, na family matter.
Okay.
You get plenty other family, then we even get problem past the one where you think say you get. Whenever carry and come social media.
And they tell you.
So based on the power of social media and based on all this they get today, na-enweghi will bring am for today as the hot. Which side where you dey and what be the reason where you think say it's supposed to be like that?
Pam pam. All right, matter tarapake, don't drop two-face matter. Now everything where they happen around you now is supposed to carry cause social media. Even that one self, even no, it not finish for that place. Even for WhatsApp self, you get so kind way your mood go day, you go carry a post. Yes, now that want to follow. You guy go take bill like this. Now you go post.
If you don't know how they feel, go their social media.
Go their status. You go see.
Any small thing they post.
Must we they do that kind of thing? You understand? You self sometimes you go you want talk good night guys. You wear suit. Picture where you snap suit. Now you post good night guys. How good night connect with suit? They use suit to they sleep. You know, I guess some kind of what they post. Not supposed just they post. You know, unless now waiting you want pass one kind better informate give people. You understand? You get. But no wahala sha. Don't drop the matter. No time to waste my time. Like move ahead inside the one I get for inside my hand this afternoon on top to as the hot this afternoon. Okay, no matter all right, so this lady come outside to say my neighbor where they call an asthmatic.
Asthmatic.
Okay. Say her neighbor where the asthmatic say she dey hospital say some money like this. So say but may God help her. She can't write. Person already say na person neighbor. She can't write say Biko, how una take they cope with different rooms when una marry a beg? Bam, now so you drop the thing and say, which kind of wahala be this one? I can't look am. Okay, so inside the story where she talk now, say, bless her, her neighbor, they live for 3-bedroom or thereabout. So her neighbor and her husband, they live for different rooms, yeah. She said she know they against them, but then see wahala it don't happen now. Say 6 months like this now, neighbor wife they for hospital. Maybe the thing starts her for night. She there her own room now. The husband they sit down, they worry and what before they go find out or whatever it is. PM they done and that kind of thing. You know, say she don't they find her inhaler. She knows Siam. You understand? Say to say at one point and so say she day with her husband for the same room. Maybe when the thing starts or any if you don't touch her, you go don't give him the thing. So she she write for the caption say I beg after she don't write the also don't go through already. I just they break am. She come and say how una take the cope with different rooms when una marry. I can't say oh okay no you did different room maybe you dey single while okay, so she bring this talk actually to take connect with that. So comment section choke na enter there. go see some young girls wey come. This one young. This one even shock me. So get one girl which she say, if me I marry tomorrow, I go date different with my husband, so that I go still dey talk to my ex somehow. I say, I see that one.
Hey.
I see our comment section.
No, you never marry.
I don't want to screenshot that one. Now on this, she say,
oh,
so that sometimes I go
she
still dey talk to my
ex.
I still dey talk to my ex sometimes.
Wow.
Based on okay, I think person can't respond to her say why she go talk. She say you know me say you get ex, you can't go and talk to them again. I say, oh wow, if you know today bad, if you dey depends. That your ex.
But when you
dey
hide to talk to your ex, that means you hide something.
Oh, now where that problem come dey for be that. But actually the matter for grant today now. This lady wake up and say her neighbor wife,
we get asthma.
They for hospital like this, so say may God help her. Why? Because she can't ask now, can't write say she knows say that they for the husband get your own, get your wife get day for her own to sit together. Say I wish say them day together, maybe that scene for no today was a go carry her go hospital. So she can't ask say how una take the cope una where the day for different clothes.
All right, numbers to call never change 0911 20022. That is 0911 20022 or 0707 454 1014. That one is 0707 454 1014. Land on the
that's what it is. Victoria has the hot. You go learn for this show. You go learn.
Okay, we're there for Facebook on Echo FM 100.7. That is Echo FM 100.7. I beg, follow us there. ECHO Echo FM or Echo FM 100.7. You know what you like, make you follow us there. Make you like, make you share, make you comment, make you also subscribe because we're there available for subscription. All right, then for our WhatsApp, drop us your your message for 0707 491 3438. Tori has the hot. You don't hear to carry them come today. What do you think?
That's what the matter with for grand. All right, to the first caller this afternoon. Hello.
Freshy.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, mommy. Where the hot like that?
Be the first call every day.
This August go sweet well.
You know, say
that shows I'm addicted to you people.
You are addicted and we are addicted to you too, mommy.
Yes, so my number one radio.
We greet you.
How are they?
We did fine, thank you.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, better woman. Good afternoon to you.
Pressure are my children now.
Then they're fine, thank you. Welcome to the show this afternoon.
My grandchild is there.
Why not? If not, in they say toilet to you, mommy.
Good for me, my tallest man.
You're both straight.
My tallest grandchild.
Voila.
Hello.
Thank you. Welcome on Top to Today this afternoon, my biggie. Go ahead.
I start with Peace and her brother, his brother being away.
Matter, yes.
It's not good for somebody to spray his or her dirty linen outside. I beg, this social media something don't keep people low.
Okay.
Everything they can't write, they can't show for social media. You remember they talk as they with their wife and their husband.
It's all right.
And they show that one and make they see.
Okay.
That social media don't keep people though. It don't keep people. If you laugh, you post them. If you talk, you post them. You cough, you post them. It's not good. You get advantage, get disadvantage anyway.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
So for this piece we are on now, any advantage there?
Then for the woman where they live for separate room, it's not advisable. I don't like it.
Okay. Personally, you don't like it.
It's not good at all. I go live different with your husband. Why?
Okay.
I don't like it, I beg. Make them stop them. I don't like it. You want to talk with your ex. Why you go marry? Why you want to talk with your ex?
That one a person comment for the comment.
If for no marry, that girl for no marry. I don't like them, I beg. Make women they live with their husband in the same room, I beg.
Okay, so you get to be the answer, my biggie. Say this P-Square their own.
The fact say P-Square them carry their this one.
So what if you talk about their P-Square they carry their own entire social media?
No, now they talk now. So it's not good for somebody to spray his or her dirty linen outside.
Okay. No, so you know their own to not go well.
Don't put it inside social because some people will discourage you, self.
Okay.
If you want to talk with your brother.
But you don't hit the nail already. You understand?
Maybe says she no support. Say no matter how it hot for your body, make you carry them. They come social media. Say make you try, especially family matter. Hello. We greet you, especially Ogodunze.
Good afternoon to you. Welcome to the show.
Oh, thank God we dey fine. Oh.
Okay, Oga Mike, welcome. Okay.
You're welcome, sir.
Go ahead.
It's not unhelpful for you to live in another room, your husband another room.
Okay.
It's not too much. Let me tell you.
Okay.
I don't like it, and we never like it. And secondly, every that is one thing with social media. So we can see the fact where it shit.
Okay.
I don't like it, please. Let us behave like Igbos. If others don't do it, we just do like that. No problem.
All right.
Echi ụbọchị anyị.
Abi.
That's not iri ji echi. Anyị abịakwanụ mma.
Na why I no go come kwano?
Abụla gị come on, you will think.
I no go pick up kwano. No problem.
Thank you and God bless
Thank you. God bless you too. Plenty. Hello, good afternoon to you. Welcome on top of the show, Toria City Hot.
Good afternoon.
We greet you, Ne. Welcome. What's be your name and where they call us from this afternoon?
My name is Mary. I'm calling from Oji Flyover.
All right.
Me from Oji, don't you?
Auntie Meme, welcome.
I do. I dey call now. They try. They to get you guys.
No be here,
no
be
be
line
my
choke. No verse. Thank God say you don't get us. Ekele dirije say. Don't go baby.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
I want to come up for square matter.
Okay, go ahead, my sister. Go ahead.
No see all this celebrity here. The time where they never get, we no go here. As they don't get, we won't call it disturb us.
Okay.
Anything will happen for a family. Maybe in Italian come in, come take advice, you know. And I waiting me, I believe, because maybe you don't every person now say me can share with us like
okay. You don't juru doro.
You don't see people here, son.
So when you don't juru doro, they'll call the find solution. Okay.
They'll call the find name. For that woman, we say your husband, sha, you know, good to marry. What is the need you marry? Come go stay another room, sha. Some women go say they need privacy due to our visitor about this. My dear, if you marry, there with your husband, no, they one room. Even at one room, na they muna die there. Muna die together. I beg, so that if something that happen for night, person go they know.
Okay. So that's so no they advisable.
They don't get that money. Make them go rest with that money.
All right. Okay.
This was what you want.
Abby, it's all right.
They share money, Abby. You know they share money for us now.
No.
They share money.
So why they can't share the wahala?
Election. I mean, they share the wahala. They don't share money. It is well.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much, our sister. God bless you. She said, "May they carry the mata
go inside.
Go inside." Say because they share money.
Carry them go inside because when they make the money.
We know we not trust anything. No.
Why can't they cry for the share to us? A man. I beg, keep the matter for Matthias.
But the fact they be twins, they worry me.
But see, I know,
from the same plan, the same, now come at the same day. And I don't say they be siblings, just to be a bond. This one's not this one. You can't say okay, twin. Same. No, I think they vex me. I don't want to talk too much with that matter. I'm gonna pick more call on the show this afternoon. Hello. Good afternoon to you. Welcome to the show.
Good afternoon.
Hello. Okay, this line, they worry. This very line. Okay, we'll check this person.
To you.
My beloved sister and brother.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, brother.
How you doing?
I
fine, thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Yes, weather cool, where? Welcome to the show, Ramnamdi.
Thank you. Ramnamdi,
Bam.
Mmadụ iwepụta mata ezinụlọ ya outside. Ebe ahụ ka maturity nọ. Ebe ahụ ka ọ nọ ba asị blood is thicker than water.
Elezato.
Awụrụla nwanne gị protect nwoke. Ọ onye outside gị protect gị.
Big question, sir.
Awụrụla nwanne gị apụ ịgbaghara gị. Ele otu onye outside gị agbahakwa nna gị.
Big word, big word.
Ozu shuru izu. Onye ka nwanne ala.
It's all right.
So ọtụtụ ihe na-emebi n'oge anya. Mgbe ụfọdụ anyị ji ha ọwụla anyị hụrụ na-akpa ego. Therefore, that social media does not forget.
At all.
Right.
You know they forget, sir.
For where?
So sometimes I appeal to married ones. Not how long you are busy.
criticizing your opponent, beating, shouting, crying, insulting the person. Tomorrow, you can forgive him or two of you return back to bed. The people that witnessed it, will they forgive him really? It don't become easy for them to forgive.
Okay.
And if you think that it will build your relationship and build your love, you are wasting time.
Okay.
Because one day you may come out as a husband and wife and carry Bible on the street. People will say, you not this one, I know they beat his husband.
Ah.
There was a lady I saw one day. He wanted to correct little children. One young girl, I think about 14, said, shut up.
Away.
That woman couldn't talk. He just walk quietly and leave.
Don't see him. Because you don't bring yourself down already.
I want that you, despite how much you are making in social media, despite whatever you feel you are doing, think very well.
All right.
Because social media and internet never forget
Not so it take be.
So I want to appeal that exposing your brother or your family out there, I want people to clap for you. Many may be clapping. The Bible says the diligent one reason before speaking, but the stupid one speak without reason. For the second matter, the guy so
Not so it take be.
the man is mature to have buildings and decided that he wants to have privacy. Or they can't join. But in a situation there is someone sick among you. If you know you cannot live with her or him in one room, but so that if there is anything happening, that one can alert you wherever you are.
Exactly.
Or can be a help immediately that thing is happening.
Okay.
Or after
Now, so it
thank you and God bless.
Thank you,
All
Brother
right,
Nandi.
thank
God
you
bless
very
you.
much.
Plenty.
You know, say, President, even some people, why they argue, some people, I don't go to some posts. Somebody want to know very well. Even today, reply. And Rob Listewa talk, say, for me, I don't see any reason why, you understand, hot day, deep hot day, you understand? But I kind of talk, say, for me, I don't still see, you know, they justifiable for me, say, Peter go come on social media, you understand, Congo part 1, part 2, part 3. And as they go, they expose so many more things. As they expose so many more things, they open the door. You know, you go to Bible talk, say, if you remove the fence, the snake will bite.
Okay.
Because I believe say we think whole families together now, 1 or 2 secrets where they keep. You understand? So when you don't open this thing, you they invite in, you understand, more exposure, more whatever to your family.
Sure.
I can't talk, say, I know like him. Somebody can't they enter me. Nothing the guy no call me. Even they insult me. Say, and say I be this one. Say no, the only opportunity where the guy get to express what's in there in mind, to pour in heart.
Yeah.
You pour your heart to the social media about your family. Well, it's okay. I know everybody get their own opinion.
But last, if we say you not go there and social media, then go see settle them or scatter them again more.
But
so
since when they think come for social media,
they say I get advantage, I get disadvantage, you know. And them all this kind of thing, they you know say all this kind of thing, content quite inside, and they make
okay,
you go.
Money they inside.
Oh, yeah, people they stream, they watch waiting you talk for this one, waiting this one talk. Now money they increase.
See, President,
They don't coincide them.
We talk about the great P Square.
Yeah.
Where we say in their days when streaming platform never did as big as they do now. Now where they supposed to even they chop more money because they still they young, they still they sing, voice still there, talent still japa. They can still dance if they want to dance.
Yeah.
When they do this thing back to back, social media and streaming platform never did as they did today, never be mad as they did today. Now when these guys today, where we say social media fee, if they sing today, the fee make millions in the next 1 week as far as they drop the song based on streaming.
All right.
So I don't see how bringing their
you.
secrets go come the
I feel no. Yeah, may I shock you? I feel no day right actually, but maybe this video one day when I go play this video in years coming, when I go there now and I go surprise say all this thing and I cut it too, because nothing when I shall not they do.
I agree with
when
you.
When I go there, this in our content.
I no doubt.
And one day when I go see so they will just drop song. When I would wake up 1 midnight on Friday, say P Square, they don't drop song, and that song go go trend. And they tell you, see, look at cute. Oh,
I remember the days of these guys.
Just look at them.
Now, their own, I made them just do.
See, just look at that picture of Facebook.
Just join our Facebook page, make you for see their picture.
See their sweet picture.
You go remember those days.
Oh, I feel like crying. Chim. No worry, Keno. One day, mark my thought. These people go drop one song, one midnight. He say, "Pa, everywhere go scatter for Nigeria."
Everywhere go bust. So now,
you see. So all this I do not lie and they whine us.
But again, now if now whining, now he understand because the thing don't go too deep.
Yeah,
you understand? You don't go too deep. You don't reveal so many things about the family.
Before my imagination go kill me for here. Why they talk? I went to our Facebook. Don't get messages inside our Facebook.
All right, somebody now snog. The real man talk say it's good as Peter come online to talk about. They are already social media people, and as he come online to talk, he will feel relieved now because this silence of a thing feel make person plan evil inside heart, but you will not know. So as he talk it's now okay. If your brother zero mind to shame you, you zero mind shame him back.
You will. All right, your opinion counts.
No, yeah, no.
Your opinion counts. It's all right.
Chinam so chamaka yini say precious cyber truck and naga keni o. Una well done no.
Thank you so much.
Watching from University of Port Harcourt Teaching Hospital and your regular caller from Opera Nose Street. All right, thank you very much.
Thank you, baby girl.
Group EPTH people also.
And they tell you we appreciate you. Okay, bless and that message.
Another message still there for Facebook there.
Can I sit you on so?
Chamaka, I wonder why the two of them they quarrel. May God help them to embrace peace.
And they tell you nothing like peace. Udo, that name UDO alone self. Oh, when a background. The name get foundation. Udo.
And good afternoon. Honestly speaking, this P Square matter really touched me emotionally because I am twins like them. Jude and Paul really betrayed Peter, according to Peter Tori and evidence.
Okay.
Money that's supposed to enter inside one family is given to DSS and barristers. God see amo. Not true. And barristers, you can't go on stock say. Finally, I am advising Peter to find a place in his heart to forgive his brother. Blessed Ike Moore from Lagos Street. Although Peter, the other Paul never come out with Jude. Although people they talk say, you understand? That's why people like Very Dark Man talk say, now one side story. So we need to hear more from them. But you see, say, the more than they talk, the more than they review.
Matter they come outside, Momo, okay, no. Okay, we still move on. We still get a message inside our WhatsApp inbox. But before then, make we just speak one more call. Hello, good afternoon to you. Welcome on top to Ria City Hot.
Hello, Auntie Precious.
Good afternoon to you. Welcome to the show.
I greet you too, my personal brother from another mama. I greet you too.
God bless you. This is your beloved brother. And how much Jesus from Amawa again.
Hello, you're welcome.
Welcome, my brother.
God bless you.
Bless you too.
You see, all this about the tie rapper. One thing we do for this world is say, as man lay his mouth, so he lie on it.
Now so it takes be as simple as that, simple and short.
I remember this P Square, Peter and Paul, when they started like telling
Peter and Paul, they be one, no be two.
Oh, they don't become two now. Peter and Paul, they be one, no be two.
Oh, it is well. Go ahead, our brother.
So when they were singing,
yeah.
You would like to be like, you say, how would it be like this to people? You know, what I grow up knowing all this tradition,
yeah.
The kids feel the trick, feel the smoke sometimes. They give them inspiration to go against the will of God for their life. No? Okay, as a normal person now, as a young governor,
it is well.
No way. When brother we have problem in the family, they will try to
see their picture.
It's not done. It's not done.
It is well, my brother. All right.
You see another one now. This always when you marry, it's your man. That's another for one room.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's good because when you marry, that any time.
Okay.
Now one room, one bed, one bottle, one towel, one brush stick. I think it's not enough.
Go ahead.
But as the children begin to grow, the money begin to grow, they will now have a larger house.
Okay.
That's how we need.
Okay.
Now the man will like to have privacy. Maybe when he wants to talk to his wife, the woman will come to him and in the phone.
Okay.
I want to do those in the other room. Like me, I have my private room.
Okay.
My wife has her own.
Okay.
My wife will not be mine. Not any time. But now, so when I want to have a private thing with my wife,
Okay.
I cannot come. But one thing is that you have the link door that cannot be locked. That is the one.
All right.
That will be the link door. That door must not be locked. It should be open. So that when your wife is in you have prayer, it will now close the door for you.
Okay.
It doesn't mean that when you have a separate room, you have one separate depression.
Okay. Nothing. Okay.
Nothing like that because all these big men that will only protect us, they have private. All these pastors, people that have separate room. Even all these native doctors, they have separate room. They want to be alone. They go to the separate room.
God bless you. And you too. Thank you so much.
Thank
God
you
bless
so
you.
much, brother from Ugwu.
Okay, so nothing today, but nothing dead here. You
So
get.
it depends. You
It
understand?
depends, yeah.
Because even as a man too, it gets moments where you go want do one or two things. You understand? We're going to require you to kind of
Day or
stay
day.
day or day, so
Alright.
that the thing will go well.
Okay, all right. So go back inside our WhatsApp inbox this one. Say good afternoon to you, Pressure and Keno. My name na Governor for Ugwoji. All right, talking about P Square matter. Social media is the worst place to share problem. Okay, you say because if you can't settle the problem amicably on a family way, is it people with different type of understanding that will settle it for you? Okay. Currently, we have Team Peter, we have Team Paul,
And even Team Jude.
And
For people,
this one are three.
see, Percy, you know, the person be talk early say,
Yeah.
as in talk about religion, but go social media. We
Yeah.
now get 2 teams, sometimes 3 teams. Some people now Team Paul and Team Peter.
And they tell and Team Jude don't
And Team Jude don't dey now.
I don't know what is
Okay.
going on here. All right, continue. Into say, and nobody they agree for anybody. Everyone wants
to win.
I hate it when people post their problem on social media. Someone is sick. The next thing you will see is, hi guys, I'm sick. Oh, please pray for me. Okay, it's very wrong. Let's minimize posting problems on social media because internet never forget.
At all.
I said, Brandon TikTok one say internet don't forget, and I saw it be as simple as that.
That's as simple as that.
Piano to Matata Rapper. All right, we'll check more calls on top of the show this afternoon. Hello, good afternoon to you. Welcome on Tatoria City Hot.
And the peace of the Lord be on the station.
And you
And to
too.
you too.
Welcome to the show.
With the car.
Yes, the rhymes master himself. I greet you specially.
When I say it's too much, it's too much.
I greet you brotherly.
Mama, where the pan.
I greet you,
It's
the
a
rhymes
big pump. It's a
master.
big pump. Never smart.
I did tell you. Thank you.
It's
Mm-hmm.
too much, man. God bless you,
Welcome,
man.
welcome,
Good
welcome.
afternoon, man.
Good afternoon to you, the
This
rhymes
is the
master.
boy, the constable general.
I did
Yes.
tell you.
This afternoon, my son, I just leave my son. God bless. God bless. God bless. One thing in life that people don't understand, not everybody that celebrates with you really loves your success.
I agree with you,
Not
sir.
everybody will celebrate it. You
I agree
like
with
love
you,
your
sir.
success,
No.
right?
If you can remember, when Peter himself dropped this song, I Can't Take My Eyes Off You, or what is the title of that song? That is
Okay.
the song.
Okay.
Many
Reason
people
with me,
criticize
Abi?
that song. No, the one said, I Can't Take My Eyes Off You.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
This latest song, Peter just dropped now.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I remember many people did not like that song. They criticize it. They say you are still doing what you are doing back then. But today, now that song is treated. Why?
Okay.
Because
Okay.
they have quarrel.
Mm.
Because both of
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead, rhymes master.
Hey, network no do this thing now.
Network,
Hello.
don't you, I beg. We must hear you, rhymes master. Hello. Okay,
Hi.
don't
Hi.
be. Okay, sorry about that. Rhymes master, you will do a call us back. Let's network. Yankari, you come out. We wait for a few seconds, but still no connect. Ate matata rapake no. Make we enter our WhatsApp inbox back. Okay. This one say.
Praise, I believe you. Even if it's so, even if it's content for now. All right, we'll continue. Say, Praise, I believe you. Even if it's not content now, They'll reconcile off camera and come online and tell us that it's all content. You can put laughter emoji.
Okay.
These people will soon release music.
Okay.
Watch and see.
Okay.
Remember, blood is thicker than water. One day they will come together again sooner.
Yeah.
Because Peter gets forgiving spirits.
Chai.
He came on social media because as if he is alone. Paul and Jude, they together, so he has no option to come but to come online, but they will reconnect again.
All right.
But even in their what? Quarrel. Look at that statement now. He said what? But even in their quarrel, they are still making money online.
Okay. Quarrel, no quarrel. Go de bata. Oh, Chineke nam when? All right, make we check this other one again. This one. Okay, no be our own, be this one. And this one be our own now. Okay. Good afternoon to you, my lovely people. How una day? Honestly, I wonder how two twin fit they fight for this life because of money or things of the world. Judogoye is the worst thing that has happened in their life. Okay, say and Nigerians at large. Wahala. Devil incarnates called calm down. All the team advising them to separate. Okay, say God have mercy. Abomination for of twins. This one plenty. Don't be small. This kind of thing abomination. Say twins they fight. He say arrest my pen. Nwadike Charles from area L, World Bank Housing Estate, New Ohere. All right, thank you so much, our brother. To the next message on top of our show this afternoon.
Let us say good afternoon, my good people.
We greet you. Good afternoon to you. Welcome to the show.
Why plenty talk? It ever happened to them? Okay, he say why plenty talk full of gakachi mouth now because it never happened to them. My brother, make I tell you something where you don't know. I don't know, but when I go use your name, I just say you listen to me now. Waiting don't happen to me
Chai.
Personally.
If you open my
if I talk you where are this thing now? Go begin now to the cry.
Chai.
I know they talk say make I impress you or make I toss I don't air.
Yeah.
But as I don't air, make I say talk as you refer to me directly, make I tell you, if I talk my own, you where they talk now, go cry. But brother,
100 chais.
I know fit come social media, come they talk within them my family. Family they like bush. If they look am from afar, it go be like say all the three day together. But if you enter the bush, you go say each three day for their own.
Hey.
All right, may I continue with your message?
I don't want to buy drink for you.
He said, "Una forget say na Paul first they throw shades at Peter.
All right.
That time he threw shades to Ram, right? Okay, to Ram left and right and center.
You not Team Peter.
No, okay.
Let's go.
Peter is so mature and calm. Now why him family did him dirty. Normally, Jude knows say Peter will never align with him to do such thing to Paul, and he also knows that Paul is very dangerous and can do the unthinkable.
Okay.
See, it really pains me when someone blood. Okay, pains me when someone blood and is doing you bad. Okay, when someone is your blood and is doing you bad,
okay.
Honestly, it pains. Yes, it does. Let's continue. Yes, it depends.
Yeah.
Very much. Let's continue with your message. You say, okay, Ogaken, I put it to you that if that kind thing happened to you, you feel even do more than Peter did. Are you serious? Calm down, brother. Calm down. No, calm down.
Right.
You say, waiting then no do to his wife, his children. See, bad thing is bad.
Okay.
And as a man, he say, as a man, always have all it takes to destroy. Let me tell you again, always have all it takes to destroy but build.
Okay.
Know when to draw the line. If you have a good family, you know what God did for you. And I beg, blood is no longer thicker than water. It's so precious. Yes, so my brother, thank you very much for your message. But make, like I thought before, see, my opinion, no.
Blood on the water.
My brother, I swear,
watery blood everywhere.
Okay. But so my brother, the truth be say, I know they lie you.
Yeah.
As I talk to you, and so and make I even shock you. Ask around if people go feel open up. Many people when you they see, their family get serious bege. Now when to make I use that proverb say family they like tree bush.
Yeah.
If you there for the look forest, if you there far, you go to say if all the trees there hold hand together. But when you enter the forest, men, you go to say each tree get their own, they differently. You understand? So what they talk be say yes. That's why I don't want I know they take part. I know they talk say no. See, if you remember how I talk, the question I simply ask, say which side you dey?
Yeah.
But if you ask me where I dey on the side say, it no make sense. Say these people they discuss this matter for online. Waiting I want one here online be say they don't reconcile. You understand? And they come. Waiting I would like to see online. Waiting happen. I think 2021 when they become together, share together enjoy. If not for matter, I don't think family them.
Person don't say they be online people already, be social media people already. So it no mean anything. They carry the matter come online already.
Okay, so in a normal thing.
Say they be based on say they be social media. Yeah, they are. If you they call
David on a social media person when be. Make a mention of that. Why they never? You just say family. David family they perfect.
Maybe never.
Not because he never talk.
Never get issue. What Brico?
Not because he never talk.
All right, well, Jack Marcus. Hello, good afternoon to you. Welcome to Torias Today Hot.
Good afternoon. I call back.
Thank you very much.
Welcome back the second time. Go ahead, my brother. We hear you.
Okay. So, my way to do it for. When you drop that song, many people criticize and say they do what they don't do before.
Okay.
And they still they do. But right now, that song they trend. Why?
Okay.
Because they don't deport it now. People want they good. People want they good say we were with this solidarity with you, all those kinds of which that thing what people they do is just so bad. It's just say some of these celebrities, I don't know, sometimes they behave so childish, anything at all. They just because people believe say all publicity are publicity, whether bad or good or trend or make money. That's why I say some artists when they say they're not doing relevant again. They just come outside or just do one rubbish, either fake their death, say they don't die, all those things, just for them to get that, for them to get that spotlight again. So those are the things most of them do. Like this one when they do now. If you share the video says dress where they dress now, all those things they trend. People will they patronize all those they dress, they all those things. Anything they come out, people will they buy them. So all those things, sometimes you see they use that they make money, they use that they catch up board. It's just be saying I'm waiting they don't already inside. They don't do it for social media. So they just feel like say that's another word for themselves, another family. But to me it's very bad because that's not your family. Just like you get your brother outside, inside you cover the wear and clothes.
All right. You get the brother outside, inside on the wear and clothes. No make sense, yeah. Okay.
It's very bad. So waiting they do so and also for that. Made the job come agree because they pay me and one of the biggest fans so far. They pay me each time I just hear the say.
The matter sit I
not talk and think, I not just put my things. I know they like talk about the matter because they pay me each time I hear say. It is even when they train set they pay me because I think they are matured enough to come together and settle whatever is the issue or is the problem between them. So it's just unfortunate. For the second question, the second topic.
Yeah.
Even your neighbor said that's why sometimes when some people will quarrel with their neighbor around them, it's very bad because sometimes it's mostly night, night is all those wicked to say that for sometimes. So what if they pregnant now? She won't live on. Maybe the person where they quarrel with now, he get car. When you walk over come here, take your wife to hospital now. So all those things is very, very bad. Now they lead to life now get different yes, it's very important. Get different. But when it's night like that, people should come at least still one side, still one room, so that now they so that anything will happen for night, both of now go solve our house.
Okay.
So, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Remember this song. If you they go left, I go they go right. If you they look up, I go they look down. I'm telling you, this game is over. Pack up and leave.
This game go dey over very soon. You see this game where una two they play me, it go dey over. No worry.
All right.
Facebook don't choke. Olu Chitwo Vivia. I call her where? My name Grace. And good make. Okay,
good make out.
Okay, making come out.
Part of healing.
Part of healing.
Okay,
last
them go there, all right.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. Obino Real Estate say a couple that lives in a separate room cannot bond properly. Experience is the best teacher.
Couple where they live different room, no the fee bondly.
Okay, so the bonding no go bond well.
No go bond.
The rat gum.
You no go too thick.
The gum rat no go gum well. All right, say also France. Omega Namani, he said they watch us live for Amagunze for Enugu State. He said good afternoon from here and keep up the good work.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, our brother. We cite you, Daddy. God bless you plenty. Okay, a blessing very much with that. Favor, love, You say from Ebu. Okay,
Reservoir.
thank you. Thank you so much, Favor, for your message. God bless you, plenty. All right, so we'll go back into that WhatsApp, and then we get this one. We say, good afternoon to you, Pressure and Ogakachi. How una day?
Would they find good
You
afternoon?
see this piece square, the matter, omo itai rapao. And as it stand now, as long as say money day reconciliation, na the grace of God, because both of them could they wait for who go apologize first. But my prayer be say make them settle in peace and give that old vibes as it was before.
Oh God.
Love you guys.
We
David
love you too,
from
David
MCC.
from MCC.
David, we love you. Thank you so much for your message on top of our WhatsApp inbox on top of the show this afternoon.
All right, numbers to call never change. 0911 20022.
Yeah.
That one is 0911 20022 or 0707 454 1014. We also Tandagideba for WhatsApp for 0707 491 3438. Our Facebook page they active and message they drop like fire there. Echo FM 100.7. That's ECHO FM. Echo FM make you join us. Today we look at two matter. First of all, we look at this matter. Where Peter don't come out, they review the secret them, the matter them, the pain where they inside their heart as a concern relationship or in their family matter. From him, reach Jude matter and every other thing. Say in part 1 to 8. I'm saying down the 8 and 9 now. With the talk say, with the ask this afternoon say, it makes sense like that. And using this P square own as example, you understand? It good also say make anything where shall for person family matter, make it bring and come. People will say it good, no problem. People will say you know good,
Your
no
opinion
problem.
counts,
Your opinion
actually.
count, but
Yeah.
make you forgive us 1 or 2 little reasons why you think say it's supposed to be like this or it's supposed to be like that. Second to what we talk today, now woman, neighbor to woman, we get asthma, but because maybe he and with her husband they live for the same room for night, the thing starts with the woman, and as it been at the woman day hospital, the neighbor come they ask say, how
How
it
una
be?
take dey cope
How na they
sef?
take the cope?
How
Say
una marry?
maybe you na get they live 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom flat. You they live for another room. Your husband they live for another room. How na manage the cope with that one? All right.
All right, back into our Facebook page. Obaino Real Estate. Say P Square was one of the richest and most popular artists in Africa as at 2007 to 2014 until greed took over. Okay, say no matter how much wealth you acquire for life, greed can destroy everything in seconds. Yeah. Thank you so much, Obaino Real Estate, for that one. We appreciate your message on top of our Facebook page this afternoon. Thank you. God bless you. All right, more calls on top of the show this afternoon. Hello. Okay, that one don't come out. Do call us back if you go fit. Call us back. Torias the hot on top Echo FM 100.7. Myself, Freshy Cybertruck, alongside with Keno on top of the show this afternoon.
Yeah, Preci, you know, when people talk say maybe this guy go heal on social media, then I can't enter. If you enter social media and I go see say the thing that generate people a lot of money.
Yeah.
Content creators don't they make better money for them? But when I listen, I know they actually see many where they try to go one direction. Of many they take this team. So if they say truly now to come and take advice, who advice I go take?
It's all right.
Which one go truly heal this guy?
Okay.
Hey,
matter
yeah.
be that.
Oh, yeah, sorry. But honestly, it pains. I swear, it pains. Person where you fit take bullet for is now the person holding the gun. Kai. It weakens the heart, soul, and body, I swear. Well, just get mine, though. And I know be team anybody. Okay, imagine the judge statement. Paul is going
Jude
up.
Statement.
The Jude statement. Paul is going up and you are going down. That kind of thing supposed come out from his mouth. Well, okay, anyway, the matter really tire person. Not true, you talk, my brother.
Yeah,
no,
precious, thank you so much.
Precious, thank you. Yes, so even if you be team anybody, see, what's make life day balance be say, we all know if you agree. Or they on the same line. But not to respect the opinion. As for that Jude matter, I don't even want to talk about Jude. Precious, you understand me?
Okay.
Make no say I want to say, but that Jude matter, even their elder brother. I don't know whether you don't watch this video.
Yeah, sure.
One of the elder brothers thought say Jude na bad person. the man, they find. I think in there for one. Yeah, that one there for this the Northern State. I think where they be there before. I think what is the called Medjugorje or something like that. They go. Somebody go there go interview. The man talk say right from time. Say that their brother Jude they mysterious.
It's all
say
right.
na bad person. You understand? Now why I think say this is family deep stuff.
Yeah.
Where the family supposed you understand
yeah.
go deeper to themselves. Maybe they exhaust family, option them. I'm not sure say they don't exhaust all of them.
Mata Terapaki, and make we check more people opinion. Hello.
Hello.
Greetings to you. And Adi.
My own personal person. Good afternoon. Welcome to the show.
Boy now, celebrity.
Celebrity Welcome on Saturday the odds. Go ahead, my brother. Where did they call us from?
From Akaba.
Akaba was your own opinion.
What now? If for the mother like this, but all anything over.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. All right. Person just called to just heal us.
Anything that is patient. In other words, maybe they tell Peter supposed to apply.
Yeah, patient.
Others go talk say how long.
Okay. How long this patient want Pepe? No more check more call. Hello. Hey, Daddy, what we do you now? We offend you, no verse. Just forgive me and care, no. Forgive us.
I may not go become like
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Welcome. What's your name and where you call us from?
My name is Emmanuel.
Okay, welcome.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I'm calling from Ohere West.
All right.
Precisely.
No, go ahead, my brother.
Based on this matter, a first time caller.
Welcome.
Based on this matter,
Hello.
What I want to talk here is not own everything in my family kind of work.
Okay.
Both of them are about it around. And the lady so cool. If I said to the because
they don't go too far, my brother, Bala too deep.
Okay.
Why about to go inside the matter? I'm not about the one. I need to decide. That's a piece for this. So the only thing had the other to have their understanding and the respect. With respect, they can live together. With respect, they can live together. Apart from that, why have an inside? Once a woman enters her family, brothers and brothers, no problem. So that goes already. And based on one, the other woman, the woman,
when they talk about a neighbor, yeah, and one same different room, go ahead.
In Igbo culture.
Hey, sorry, why? That angle
wait, don't they go the traditional way now?
No go sweet us when we're pressing.
It is where I enter our Facebook here, no?
All right, for this one, they come from Victoria Akbang. My name is Indo Guest.
Okay.
For peace square matter, it's not good to quarrel with his brothers. Should allow them. Okay, brothers should not allow them. All right.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mickey brothers. No, me not allow their problem. Mickey,
may escalate.
It is well. All right. So what's up, back? Good afternoon to you guys. My name is Love from New Wary. The proverb I have for Peter's story is that a foolish man always complains that his pocket is spoiled, while a wise man uses it to scratch. Okay.
His Holocaust.
He should be wise enough.
Do you understand? See, now simple proverb. A foolish man always complains in pocket what?
Don't say that.
He don't tear. Say, but wise man they use them, they scratch himself. They understand? Now proverb. Neither our that last caller drop.
Our sister drop her mom, auntie.
And a better proverb when drop. You might for you they talk say ya boroka buri lulu. You understand? You understand?
Yes, now sure.
Yeah,
all right. Another message inside our WhatsApp inbox.
Good afternoon, Preshinwa, and my brother from another mother. I'm Onye number not from World Bank.
It's all right.
The issue of P Square is a tremendous matter. The worst problem is Jude. Even when he want to be the manager, the mommy no agree. Because Jude is greedy, according to their brother Henry Okoye.
It's all right.
You see, I come against every Jude in every family. Amen. In fact, bandits get good mind past Jude. Jude be like Pharaoh of Egypt. You see, so when you now find out, she said the thing they wider. You know,
this one deep, you know, this one deep and wide.
Now, so if I want to come bring this thing for social media,
I won't take.
Where you understand? Where how people feel one because
looking at it now we did like now we don't bring a come this thing now now waiting we see the talk everybody they talk
maybe
no solution
what can happen
what can happen Also, no
Share the
come
matter.
family. They go sing Banu Jude. Be do. Come and sit down.
You understand?
Paul, come and sit down. Peter.
I go there based on blood.
If you know say una love una mama, me the mother just call and say become
Hey mama, mama don't pay me.
You know that kind of thing. Just one person that respect our family, you know, get us use one kind then go settle ram no. Not before here. This one everybody they been their own this and this one is this one.
Now why? I still stand if you because me because
in the family.
the two opinion if you make I found one, I don't already form am talk say me. I know suppose say make you carry matter for matter as on social media. Pressing? I don't support that one.
I concur with you. Okay, so we get another message from SO Precious. Now your clients today.
So you get husband and wife where they live separately.
Okay.
I think that mostly in the movies. I beg how them be the runner.
Okay.
Some people say they put that emoji. People they do. These people supposed to marry in the first place. That's people where they separate. You understand? You get some kind of things where they vex me. Imagine you can do funny people living in the same roof. We confuse themselves, say they marry. You can do again. I beg, make una enjoy the rest of una day in Dioma. So my brother.
Thank you. He did now, nobody actually.
Don't worry. I know say you never marry. You go soon marry.
Come, plenty.
If God give you money, you come big house. They go to the master's room.
They tell you.
You understand? Why am I so good at
the master? All right, another message again.
Okay, President Attack say, a husband and wife who share separate rooms. My question is, how are they able to get head-to-head talk as husband and wife? You know that conversation where you tap your spouse either at midnight or early hours of the morning to discuss real talk. Either what is disturbing you, a plan, how to go about your kid who is stubborn, or an addiction. Travel plans or to resolve an argument or quarrel. So they do not share bed talks. Now, wow, this kind of thing can allow third parties into the marriage. Imagine having a quarrel with your spouse and you both go to your separate rooms. Your wife picks up her phone to discuss the quarrel with a friend, which is something she cannot do when both of you are in the same room.
Okay.
It's a no-no for me. And for P Square, since day one, I have not commented on their matter because I know the person where they do things come social media. Simple. Okay. Preci and my very own DJJ boy do have amazing day. I remember Precious from Obinze. Precious from Obinze, thank you very much. If you go to social media now, you go see that interview.
Yeah,
where
Henry, Grant. They talk, they interview,
when he exposed Jude. When he talks, say, see, make I talk him now. Okay. Most families, Preci, Jude day.
They tell you. There's always one Jude there.
You know, some of them, what they do now, when they come see, say the other brother is great richer than the other one, they will come, maybe they become the person where the richer brother they closer to. So that you go snitch the other ones, they gossip the other ones.
I don't know what now they give for this kind
of thing. For families.
Okay, no, we no get time again for our side again. We appreciate of una we call us, una we send message inside our WhatsApp inbox, una we see send us message for our Facebook. We appreciate it. Now ga catchy, even if I build house full of big rooms, my wife no go fit live separately. In fact, she no go even think herself. Like even for dream, you know fit.
No. So that's no be. Make I tell you, that no be say she dey live separate.
No, they for the same house, but she get a room.
You understand? Yes. We be say anytime where she like, she dey enter your room freely.
They say she get her own.
She get her own.
All right, we love una plenty. We'll do this again tomorrow for the Thursday edition of Torias Day on top Echo FM 100.7. My name is Precious Cyber Truck. We'll enjoy now afternoon by 4 p.m. We'll come and cut up with it. They happen.
And my name is Kachinwogo. Una bye bye yo.
This conversation with you. Can you allow my audience to meet you, introduce yourself, sir, for record purpose?
Hello, people are welcome. My name is Henry Okoye, the elder brother of Jude. I'm the direct senior to Jude. The Peter and Paul are my youngest. They are the one that's the last, they are second to the last. The problem with the be say, my people broken. Okay,
anyhow you want to talk, bros.
The problem with the be say, everything that is happening between my brothers, I've been the hearer more. No matter anyhow, nobody want to come out. Any of the brothers. I even have the one that seniors me, my elder brother. But that one is always born again. That's why.
Oh, you have another brother?
Yes.
Oh. What's his name?
Christopher Okoye. That one is Christopher Okoye. We all are, at least, let me put it this way. We all are brothers. We are 80 numbers. 2 girls, 6 boys. The problem with them is when they started this music, they are looking for sponsors. They didn't get for sponsors. When I started sponsoring them, Jude was not there.
You sponsored them?
Yes. I'm the one that's sponsoring them, but Jude was not there. Even when they started, when Bethlehem agents come in Jos, looking for an artist. Now me, carry them, go stadium for the performance. After the performance, they took first. When they took for Jude was not there. We'll be traveling from state to state for music. For music. There was one time they used to took my car for flyer. You want to go travel in my car, use it to go and fly for flyers. Later, what happened at last is that when things were going good, going well, before I could know what happened, Jude was not there. Sometimes we travel from Jos to Abuja as a family. We just took it as a family something, but we know it's Peter and Paul that owns it. We're only supporting them. What happened at last is that when we travel, sometimes if we travel to Abuja, my sister, one they call Lillian, is the one that always collect gate fee. As the elder brother, I did bodyguard with them.
Wow.
I'm the bodyguard with my friends.
Wow.
We'll go and come back.
For Paul and Peter?
For Paul and Peter, yeah. But when things are starting going well, Jude was not there. After all and done, before you know it, they start making money bit by bit. Before you could know it, Jude came in. Wanted to manage them. So we allowed Jude to manage it. Before then, my mom disagree. If the one that senior the
Lillian?
No, senior the P-Square direct, he's the one that begged my mom if she allow Jude. My mom said he knows the kind of Jude, he knows Jude very well. That's how they allow Jude.
Mama knew Jude very well.
He knew the kind of character he has.
Oh, okay.
He knew the kind of character he has. That's why he allowed Jude. At last, he allowed you to go on. When everything start going, before you know it, they start making the money. Well, me myself, I'm not about money. I don't want to know.
It is obvious.
It's just what I knew, my name and their name. If I heard about Pisco, I'd be happy. I know that my brothers, that the one making it, going on until their name is okay for me. But when at last I come to find out the way things are going on, I said, before you know it, they start running away from everybody. Who caused it? How did everything start?
That's Paul and Peter started running away
from the family.
Oh.
But we never knew that it's Jude that is causing the problem. Jude is never a good person. It's my brother, but he's very bad.